Working with influencers usually starts with good intentions. You look for creators that seem like a good fit, you send a few messages, and you hope something good comes out of it. Sometimes it does, but a lot of times it doesn't. And it's not because influencers don't work, but most collaborations start without a clear plan. So this video is about how to approach influencer collaborations with a clear direction from the start. This is the prompt I will use. And basically this agent plans influencer collaborations end to end. It helps you choose the right influencer, the right content ideas, and even how to reach out, all based on the brand, goals, platform, and budget. Let's try it. So now our AI influencer collaboration planner is ready. Let's take a look at it. First of all, let's see the tools. So we have the send email tool, the enroll find email tool, and 4 tools for LinkedIn, basically for search, LinkedIn leads, and profile posts. Also, let's take a look at the settings. We have the name of the AI agent, the description, the AI model which was automatically selected, but if you would like, you can select another one from the ones available on the platform based on your needs. The AI agent instructions, which are more complex than the prompt that I have used, you can also modify this one, and the visibility, private or public. Now, let's go back to the chat section. I have this prompt. What I need is an influencer collaboration for Glossier. The audience is Gen Z and young millennials beauty lovers. The goal is to increase awareness of a new skincare line. The budget is mid-range, enough to work with several micro and nano influencers. Okay, so what I need is several concrete collaboration ideas and angles, a short outreach message, and a list of few KPIs I should track. Let's try it. The campaign is now ready. These are the tools that I have mentioned before and were used to complete my request. So we have a research summary and key discovered influencers, 4 influencers, where they come from, their profile, audience, and why they are perfect for this. Then some insights on influencer landscape, and then influencer recommendations by platform. First of all, we have the TikTok strategy, the ideal influencer profile and recommendations, content formats. Then for Instagram, again the same. Okay, and some campaign concepts. The first one, the 30-day glow up challenge. We have campaign theme that is aligned with goal, how it would work, and the content deliverables per influencer. Also the platform mix, budget allocations, and why it would work. Then the second one, the same points. The third one, clean beauty ingredients breakdown. So these are really good concepts. Then the fourth one, Glossier unboxing and first impression. This would work great for Instagram. Then outreach message templates, basically what you should send. So the first template, to discover LinkedIn influencers. Okay, so we have the subject line, body. Okay, you have to complete here. Then another template, this one is for cold outreach. This one was more personalized. So for cold outreach, okay. Then for nano influencers, we'd love to send you Glossier's new skincare line. So this is a really good subject line because it catches attention. What's in it for you? Then success metrics and KPIs. The primary goal, of course, is brand awareness. Then another goal would be community engagement, and we have different metrics, what to target and how to track them. Okay, then if you want to drive sales, then the content quality assessment and platform specific KPIs for TikTok and for Instagram. Then some long-term partnership metrics to build relationship for future campaigns, and recommended tracking tools, what you can use, TikTok analytics, and of course Instagram analytics, insights, and others. And then a budget breakdown summary, because we mentioned that we have a mid-range budget. We have the category, allocation, and different details, and the expected return on investment. And these are the next steps, what you should do for the following weeks, and why this campaign will succeed. So what matters most is knowing what you're doing before you reach out. Because when there's a clear idea behind the collaboration, everything feels easier for everyone involved. So that is all, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more AI marketing tutorials.